Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you the layout of my floor decals for our hybrid learning model when students come in. As you can see, I have these decals that I bought off of eBay. I bought 12 of them for $20, and they're 7 inches. And a lot of people have asked me about taking them off the floor. I would say that these are slightly less sticky than floor tape. I did have to reposition one at one time, and I was able to remove it fairly easily and then put it back down. And these are the same kind of decals you might find in a grocery store or something like that they have on the floors. So I say, you know, if they can withstand a grocery store, people walking on them all the time, you should be doing pretty good in phys ed settings. So as you'll see, I have 12 of them spaced all around the gym. And these decals are anywhere between 11 and 12 feet apart. Down the center, they're about 11 feet apart because I had to avoid the basketball hoops. I didn't want to put one directly under a basketball hoop. So if they're doing stuff like, you know, stuff with bean bags or tossing stuff in the air, I didn't want to get them snagged there. And then these ones down the side here and also down the side on the other side are actually 12 feet apart, and they're 8 feet from the wall. So I have a 2,400 square foot gym. I do have some stuff around the outside, but a lot of that's going to be moved to storage before the school year starts, which is nice. And I also have these white dots. Now, these you don't buy as white dots, you buy it as actually floor tape. And I have a roll here. Gopher makes it. It's 3-inch wide floor tape. And what I do is I take off a section and lay it out on my table, and then I take a spray paint cap and put it on, and then I draw a circle around with a dry erase marker. So after I draw the circle, I cut it out, and then when I lay them on the floor, it's nice because if I start at the center and go outward, I wipe off all of the marker so it doesn't stay on there at all. So that's pretty nice. So I have these spaced about 7.5 feet all the way around the gym. And I'm going to use these when students have to line up to go back. So this is one of the doors that they go out to line up. So first student lines up there, and then they're going to be I'll have about 10 or 11 kids per class, so they just get to when they're 11 and then they just end up leaving. I also have a door that exits out over here, so they'll start there and then go again all the way until there's 11 kids. So those are all the decals on my floor. Hopefully this will help you out, and I do wish everybody a good school year. I'm very fortunate to be able to use the gym. I know there's a lot of people that don't have that ability right now, but for those of you that do, hopefully this will help you out a little bit. Thanks.